Hi, you guys. Hi, you guys. Who's gonna come and see Daddy and get something out of his hands, eh? Who's gonna come and eat out of my hands? Oh boy, you guys are just so hungry. Oh my goodness, wings flopping and the whole bit here. Who's gonna come and get something to eat? Eh? Alright, guys. Eh? Oh boy, you guys. Oh yeah, you're hungry babies. Oh yeah. Come on. Who's gonna come and get something to eat from Daddy? Hi, Snowflake. Snowflake's hungry. Eh? Come on. Come on. Some of you older guys come and get something. Eh? Oh boy. A bucket jumper. Yeah, in the bucket, eh? Oh yeah. Oh boy, there's 90. Is that 94 here? Yeah, there's 94. Oh man, that's a nice light blue check. That's a light check, eh? Oh boy. I don't even remember who his mother and father. I think that's MJ's baby. Okay, you guys. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I want to get some more out of here. Hey, you guys are going to make pigs out of yourselves in there. Come on, get out of there. Make pigs. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on, hungry. Come on. Come on. Who's going to come and get something to eat from Daddy, eh? Oh, boy, wait. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi, Splash. Hi, Splash. Yeah, you splash. Oh, boy. I thought you were a girl maybe, but you're a boy, aren't you? Eh? Come on, second flight. Come on. Come on, second flight. Come on. Come on, second flight. There you go. Well, yeah, you're getting picky. You're going to just go for corn, aren't you? Yeah, that means you're not hungry. That's what it means. Yeah. Hey, you're being a pig. Get out of there. Oh, you guys. See, you don't want the barley. You just want all the corn. Yeah. Eh? Eh? Boy, you think you guys never seen food in 13 days. Eh? More like 13 weeks since you seen food last. Second flight, you don't need in there. Second flight is a 2002 bird, and his nest mate was third overall in the Latour. This guy right here in the bucket. Get out of there, you. See now, if you left them in the bucket, it teaches them right off that, you know, you're the guy that gives them the food, see? And he's not too worried about me. And you can handle them a lot easier. Even when you're feeding them out of your hand, they tend to not like you to pet them as much. I'll show you that. If I reach my hand, sometimes, oh, these guys are being pretty good, but see, they move back. Whereas if I just put two hands, and then you hear the who word. Who are you? Who? I'm not a who. You guys are the who's. Eh? You guys are the who's around here. Who's who? Eh? Hi, Splash. Who's who around here? I want to get that little speaker. I'm not a who. You guys are the who's. Okay, I think I'm going to let you guys, I've had enough now. You're not going to want to go for a fly. Okay? Come on, second flight. Let's go. Get out of there. Okay, that's enough for you guys.